Good morning, students. Get ready with a pen and paper.
So, in Indian system, you must have learned in your fourth standard or third standard must be. So let's see that even in the fifth standard. So it's the beginning of your maybe ending of your primary or beginning of your middle school. So in Indian system, we have some periods. We call it ones, thousands, lakhs, and crores. Ones, thousand, lakh, and crore. This is what we have learned in the primary. Okay, now let's see. In ones we have a three numbers. I would say three digit comes in a one. Ones, tens, and hundreds. In thousands period we get thousand and 10,000s. As you can see that there's a two digits we get in the thousand, and after that lakh period we get 1 lakh, and then we get a 10 lakh. We get a two digits in this also. Similarly we get a crores, and in crores we get a two digits again, crore and 10 crores. Now what is most important thing is to remember in Indian system is first commas. Now where to put commas is very important. So if you see this one, ones, hundred, and tens, after this we put comma. That means after three numbers the first comma comes. If you have thousands number, then after the hundreds, that means after 100, 10,000s and 10,000, these two numbers and digits put together in a same column. So these two come together. Similarly lakh and 10 lakh comes together, and after two digits again we put commas. So let us see some examples. With examples let's understand. Okay, before I make you more understand about the commas, let's understand what is that exactly happening here. I have tried another way also for you to understand the comma part. Can you see this? Now first ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, same thing here. After three digits we put comma. After three digits we put comma here, right here. Okay, let me show you, or let me draw that comma for you. We put comma here, and after that 1000 and 10,000 carries two digits only. See, first contains three digits, thousands column contains just two digits, and similarly lakh and 10 lakh also contains, means lakh column also contains two digits, and the crore also contains two digits only. Okay, so this is how it's, you can say that your numbers are divided or numbers are put in the commas. So let's understand. I put some numbers here. Suppose this is 3 here at one's place, we have 3 here, then we have 1 here, then we have a 5 here, then we have a 0 here, and then we have I would say 9 here and 0 here. Okay, and then we have 2 here, and then we have 8. Okay, we have 8 here, and then we have a 6 here, and at the end we have 7. Now can you read this number? What is it? Okay, let me help you. This is 100, so let me write these numbers here. It is 5, 1, 3 here. Then we have 0 and 9, and then we have 2 and 8, and then we have 7 and 6. Let's put the commas. Where will it come? As I told you, once it has a 3 digits. After 3 digits thousands period starts. So thousands, so it is a thousands number, as you can see that. So thousands, it is here will come. Now 1000 contains two digits. Can you see this? Two digits coming here, 9 and 0. 1000, 10,000, 1000, 10,000. After 10,000 lakhs period starts. Comma we put to separate thousands from the lakhs, thousands from the hundreds. So we put another comma here after two digits. Then after lakh, two digits, it belongs to the lakh. After these two digits we put comma again, and that separates lakhs from the crores. So it is convenient to read out this number: 76 crore 82 lakhs 90,513. So this is how we put commas. Remember that very important is the only two digits comes in commas in Indian system. because thousands only have 2 digits places. Lakhs also have a 2, and similarly we have a crore also 2 digits places. So after decimal 2 digits, after I beg your pardon, after comma 2 digits, and after comma again 2 digits, and after comma again 2 digits we get. So after comma 2 digits, that means you are talking about Indian system. Okay, so let's move on to the next part of our is what is called international system. Okay, now we have this international system. International system is little different than, and little different terms it has, like till, as you can see, we first column which you can see here is called ones period. Here we have also ones period which contain 3 digits like ones, tens and 100. Here also same ones, tens and 100. Now when we move to the 1000, in Indian system you can see only 2 digits or 2 terms were there, 1000 and 10,000. But if you see here, we have in 100 period ones, tens and 100. So just like in ones period we have a 3 terms or 3 digits we can write. Similarly we can write here in the thousands 3 terms in international system. Same pattern is repeated here also, as you can see the million period. Now million period also have ones, tens and 100. So this is how the international system is designed. And if you see again the commas pattern, so I'll show you. It's very easy to understand now. In Indian system we have a two terms here, thousands have a 2. So how many digits will come in this? 2, and a decimal, that's a comma we will always put after 2 digits. So let's put the same number in this and let's see what it looks like and how will I read. 7 here, 6 here, 8 here, okay, 2 here, 9 here, 0 here, 5 here, 1 here, and 3 here. Can you read now this same thing as I told you? Now let me write down this one similarly the way we have done here to put the commas. Okay, so I am writing this number again: 3 1 5 0 9 2 8 6 7. The same number of digits are there, but now let's see the commas part. The comma will come, as you can see that, as I told you, each period contains 3 digits like 3 numbers here, 1 2 3. So let's put the first thing is common, because ones contain here also 3 digits, here also 3 digits, 100, tens all. So after 3 digits you will put comma. But your 1000 also contain 3 digits, so you have to consider the 3 digits here also, 1 2 3. So in international system we needs to put these zeros after 3, these commas after 3 digits, and here we get 3 digits again for millions. So this is the million which contain 100, tens and ones. This is thousands which contains after 100, tens and ones. Now how will you read this? The question. In upper one, if you remember, the same number is read as crore. It contains crore, lakhs and thousands. But here we have millions, thousand and ones period. So how will you read this? 700, because it's a 100 place. This 7 is at 100 place of million. So 100, 768 millions, 290,000 and 513. That's it. This is how you read. And here we read 76 crores 82 lakhs 90,513. Both have a same number of digits. The only difference, the comma placed in international system after 3 digits. You can see that 3 here, 3 here and 3 here. But here in the Indian system we have a 2 digits here and 2 digits there as well. Okay, can you see that? 2 digits here, 2 digits here, 2 digits here. This is of crore, this is of lakh, this is of thousands. Here we have thousands and this is we have millions. Okay, I hope you understood this, the difference between Indian and international system. Remember that commas are very important. So I have written this one in the word form. Let's see how to write this. 700. This is a 700. So all of our hundreds are there. Remember that. 768 million. So this whole thing is a million. So how many millions we have here? 768 millions. 290,000. So this is 1,000. And the last one 513. We don't write and when we speak, sometime when we say some number, this kind of numbers, we say and 513 like that, but while writing we don't write these things. Okay, so remember that this is very simple. Now I will interchange these digits here. You can pause this video, figure out what is written, write in this format, and then write in the words also. Okay, get ready. Now I'm changing this one here a little bit. These digits are going to interchange with each other. Now this is our first number. Okay, pause this, write down on the paper. Now next number is, now this one here, this is here, this is here, and this is here, this is here, and this is here. Now I want to change this number. This is our second number. Write down this one on your page. Okay, now next one, I'll do one thing. I remove this one, I'll put 9 here, I'll put 0 here, I'll put 2 here, 9 here, and I think it's very, very interesting now become. Okay, and this 5 here, 6, I will keep it here. Okay, now write down this one. Now can you see that the 100 value is nothing is there? So what it will be? Very simple. What is written here? Forget about everything. What is written? 20. It is just 20 millions. So you will write here 20,875,639. It is. Commas, remember that after each 3 digits in international system. There is a uniformity is there in the international system. Okay, and to make it more interesting, I will put this way. Okay, I'll keep it here, this one over here. Now what is this number it become? So a little bit change here. Okay, now you can write this number again. You can see that the 1000 value is 0, thousands 100 value 0. So now what is left? Only 75,000. So it is 21,075,369. Hope you understood, you enjoyed. Keep changing the digits. Here in the Indian system also you will get your practice.
Here I have some homework for you, and don't forget to practice it. And I have also given the answers except question number 3, but try out all the questions, and if you want to write down these questions, pause the video, write down and practice it. All the best. Have a great day.